Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll describe how to alter the response body which is coming from a database or from the server. So this is my node project and here I have a get call of display brand. So basically this is a method which will fetch all the details I have in my database. So I'm using a SQLite type ORM. Let's see how we can do that. First of all, let me show you what is inside this results. So results is basically a variable which will store all the data coming from the brand database. So first let's see what is inside results. Let me just here all the details that I have in the DB will be visible here, and let's open our console. Here you can see, so these all are the things that we have in results. So in order to go to BDID, all the fields inside data values, we have to loop through data values. So for that, first of all, we need a variable. Let's call it as data list. Take it as an array. Now we need two loops, one which will loop inside the data values and one which will loop inside each key value pair. So results dot length this is the for loop which will loop inside the results, and there will be one more for loop which will loop inside key value pair of object dot entries results I dot data values, since we have everything inside data values. After that, data item key dot replace. Let's replace BD underscore with a normal space which will be equals to value. And now the most important part, we have to store all of that into data list. So data list dot push data item. Let's console it and see. Console.log data list. Save it. Go to Postman. Hit the API. And here you can see BD underscore is rejected. Similarly, you can give data list here in rest.send. Save it, go back to Postman. Now hit the send button, and now you can see that BD underscore is not there. So in this way you can use different JavaScript functions. I have used replace function. See, you can use any function like slice, split, search, substring, any function you want. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and comment if you have any query. Thank you.